Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of reasoning section. Here the first question is find the next number in the series. The series given 61, 52, 63, 94, 46. See the first number. So here each number is reverse of a number which is square of a number. So in the first number 16, 4 into 4, 4 square equals 16. The reverse of 16 is 61. Then next number 5 into 5, 25. So reverse of 25 is 52. Then 6 square 36, 63. Then 7 square 49, 94. And 8 square 64, 46. So next number will be 9 into 9, 9 square 81. And the reverse of 81 is 18. So our correct answer is 18. Here given option B 18. So our correct answer is option A 18. Our next question is what is the next number in the given series? The series given 21, 16, 22, 15, 23, 14 and the next number is what? So see here in the explanation, here in this series the alternate digits follows pattern, alternate digits, alternate numbers. See here alternate numbers 21, 22, 23 and 16, 15, 14, 21, 22, 23. Similarly 16, 15, 14. So the next number will be what? 24. See here 23 and here will be 24. So our correct answer is 24. Here given option A 24. Our next question is a person is six in the queue from either end. How many people are there in the queue? So what given? A person is sixth position in a queue from either end. From both sides, he is in middle. So here that person is in sixth position from either end of the queue. That is, 5 people stands in front of him and 5 people stand behind him. So total number of people will be 11. So from both sides, he is in sixth position. So our correct answer is 11. Here given option B 11. Our next question is four girls are sitting on a bench to be photographed. Kamal is to the left of Akriti. Disha is to the right of Akriti. Ankita is between Akriti and Disha. Who would be second from the left in the photograph? So the sitting order will be given that Kamal is to the left of Akriti. So Akriti and Kamal. Kamal is left to the Akriti. Next section, Disha is to the right of Akriti. Disha is right of Akriti. And Ankita is between Akriti and Disha. Ankita is between Akriti and Disha. So in the sequence, we get Akriti will be second from the left in the photograph. So here correct answer is Akriti. So here given option B Akriti. Our next question is complete the following series. The given series is 3, 8, 15, 24. The next number what? So in the series the relation is given that first number 3. So 3 into 1 3. Then second number 4 into 2, 8. Then third number 5 into 3, 15. Then fourth number 6 into 4, 24. So similarly 7 into 5, 35. So our correct answer is 35. Here given option B 35. Option B is our correct answer.